Blue collar is actually, it's got a lot of benefits to it. Not everyone wants to be a computer guy, and not everybody wants to, sit behind a desk all the time. 26 years ago, I came here as a plumber helper. Now they call me an apprentice. My whole career here, I've been in the plumbing department. I've worked from an apprentice 1 to a 2 to a junior mechanic to a plumber 1 to a plumber 2 to now as a supervisor at Edison Satellite. I take care of 64 buildings with a team of 5 guys and a kitchen technician. Our goal is to make sure the schools are safe for the teachers and the staff and make sure everything's running in great condition. Every month we receive a progress report through our satellite, and every month for last year and a half, we've always met the mark plus some. Our average percentage per guy is 95 to 100% exactly. I'm very proud of my team. It's not just one person, it's the whole satellite. Starting from our managers all the way down to our apprentices. Everybody works as a team, everybody gets along. Couldn't ask for a better group of people. We got different shops helping one another. For example, we got HVAC helping plumbing, vice versa. I look at it as a big old wheel, a bunch of little spokes on it. If everybody works together, you can't, it's awesome.